Good morning, good afternoon, everyone. So welcome back to lesson number 8 regarding mobile application development for digital agricultural revolution in Africa. Again, I'm Dr. Alcado Alex Brakabis. I'll be with you today to present on how you can access REST APIs, the overall concepts of working on REST APIs on mobile application development, on how you can access product service APIs in your mobile app. So how can you access the REST APIs? So Flutter provides different packages to consume HTTP resources. As you know, HTTP stands for Hyper Text Transfer Protocol. So we say we have the HTTP package in Flutter development, which is of course a feature-based library that use await and asynchronous features in mobile app development. So it provides many high-level methods and simplifies the development of REST-based mobile applications. So the overall concepts of REST APIs in mobile application development falls on the HTTP package. This provides a high level, as I said, a class and HTTP to do different web requests from the user to the web server. If you want to request something, say it's M-Pesa mobile app, is SIM banking mobile app. So you need to click on different animation widgets. Thus now I have to send a kind of request from your mobile app, mobile device to a bank database to request information, for example, of your bank account, information, for example, of your M-Pesa account. So we say HTTP class provides functionality to perform all types of HTTP requests. So HTTP methods accept a URI, for example, and additional information through that map. So as I said from lesson number 3, the two programming language is the core in developing all agriculture-based mobile apps. So how you can post data, how you can add headers, how you can delete data, for example, if you're a developer, then you have to work with HTTP methods. So HTTP methods or package to request the server, as I said, and collect the response back in a synchronous or await pattern. So I have given just a snapshot of the example of how HTTP package methods work. So you have print await. So we're using the await pattern, http.read, https :/flutter.dev. So we are sending the HTTPS this link, this web page here to a server, requesting it to read this and give us a response. So some of the core methods are read. You request the specified URI through get method and return back the response as feature in a string data type. So the get method, it requests the specified URI through get method and return back the response as feature. Response is a class holding the response information. So the post, it requests the specified URL through post method by posting the supplied data and return back the response. Of course, the put method to request again the specified URL through put method. So these are different methods that you use. So if you're a web developer, mobile app developer, and then if you want your mobile app to be, of course, integrated in a web-based application, you have now to understand and work with these APIs. So the head request the specified URI through head method and return back the response. Again, the delete method just requests to delete and return back the response as a future response. So those are the methods that's provided in the HTTP package. So we say HTTP also provides a more standard HTTP client class, client.client, which supports persistent connection while you're working, for example, with your mobile app. So it will be useful when a lot of requests to be made to a particular server. As I said, your bank account server, your M-Pesa server, or your any kind of mobile app that you're working on. So it needs to be closed properly using a close method as shown below. So we have the define the variable client equals the new hp.client. So this is the standard HTTP client class that you can use. So try print, we are using the await, of course, partner client.get. So retrieve, we're requesting get this URL from a server, which server from a flat server. And finally, a client.close. So we are closing our class using the client.close method. So this is how you can create a method. This is how you can access the REST APIs using the HTTP package in mobile app development. So accessing product service API, how can you now access the product service API? So we want to create now a simple application like to receive or to get a product data from a web server and then show the products using the list view approach. So you need to create a new Flutter application in Android Studio, for example. So we introduce Android Studio in lesson 2 and 3, and how you can do all these kind of installations while working with the Flutter in developing different mobile apps. So we have product REST underscore app. So we have the main.dat file that we have been working on since lesson 3, 4, 5. So our product navigation underscore app code. So just go to this class, to those codes. So copy the asset folder from product nav.app to product rest.app and add asset inside the pub specification.yaml file. So this is the flat assets we introduced before. You can go and retrieve it from previous lessons. So we have these images, flop.p and g. We have iPhone, we have laptop, we have a pen drive, we have Pixel, and then we have a tablet. So we want to see how these images can be retrieved using the HTTP package. So configure HTTP package in the pub specific.yam ML file as shown below. So this is how you can import the HTTP package in the main.dat file. So import that.asynchronous, import again that.convert, and then import package, this package as HTTP. So if you want your HTTP methods like get, delete, put, etc. To work in your mobile app, then you need to create a JSON file. So for example, products.json with all the product information is shown here. So you have, for example, the iPhone, which price, for example, image that will be displayed on your mobile app. That will be displayed on your screen if your app is installed in the screen. So you have pixel, you have the description of the pixel and the image, the price. You have laptop, what the price of the laptop, and then the image of the laptop, etc. The name, the tablet, description, tablet is the most useful device over the meeting. Etc. The pen drive, the flop drive, etc. So you define all the description of these devices. So after creating the JSON file, so you need to create a new folder JSON web server and place the JSON file in the products.json. And then you need to run the web server with JSON web server as its root directory and get its web path. For example, you can use this path here. So you have defined your IP address, for example, and then you have defined your port number, and this is the JSON file that you created in the previous slide. So we can use any web server like Apache, Nginx, etc., to retrieve this file from JSON web server that we created. So the easiest way is to install a node-based HP server application. Of course, you know this. So this is how you install Node.js application. So just go on your interface on your mobile smart device or on your laptop and install the Node.js. So this is how to install, and then go to JSON web server folder that you created, and this just type this command, change directory path to JSON web server. So after that, you need to install the HP web server as shown here. This is the package using the npm. So this is how to install. Just install /g HP server, and then now run the server using the port number that you created before. So starting up the HP server, which will be now available on. So this is the like the localhost web address if you are using the localhost, but don't forget to use the port number. So hit the Control+C command to stop the web server that will be running. Now you need to create the product.dat file in the lib folder and move that into it. So this is how you can actually create. So you have the factory product from JSON, a map, string, dynamic, and then data, return product. So you provide all the description, name of a product, description, price, and the image. So from the previous slide, for example, if it's an iPhone, so you see iPhone description, which iPhone, for example, is iPhone 14, iPhone 12, iPhone 6, SX, etc., and what the price and image. So this product information will be displayed when you retrieve the JSON file you created on your mobile app. So I'm also providing you the complete code of the product.dat as shown here. So for example, the class product of your device, of your item that you have created will look like this. Of course, the string description, the price is integer, string as image, and then the product, this dot name, this the description, etc. So this is the JSON file. So you are telling the JSON file to retrieve all this information of the item that you have created. So this is how to work with this JSON files. This how to work with HP, how you can request all the information using the HP package or HP method. This how you can also integrate your mobile app to the web, to run in a web as a web application, and to be, of course, available online for users or consumers to use or interact with the app that you have developed. So this marks the end of lesson 8. Thank you. Thank you very much for your attention.